2023 GS Geography क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. Identify and discuss the factors responsible for the diversity of natural vegetation in India. Assess the significance of wildlife sanctuaries in rainforest regions of India. Join me at Shabbir Edukemy for IAS where I post questions. So हम question answer discuss भी करते हैं. I also give tasks on NCRTs and current affairs. Clean, nice, honest preparation. No simply posting of newspaper clippets and dumping current affairs on you. Prepare with me, work with me. Shabbir Edukemy for IAS. अब ये क्वेश्चन में दो पार्ट है. One part is to talk about the factor responsible for India's natural vegetation. अब देखो मैं जब एक क्वेश्चन दिया था मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे, स्टूडेंट्स wrote all type of list, factors of climate change, altitude, rainfall. But fundamentally, India's vegetation is a function of its rainfall. Wherever we have more rainfall and rainfall well distributed, the vegetation is evergreen forest and rainforest. Whenever the rainfall starts decreasing, the vegetation also starts becoming deciduous, becomes ultimately thorn forest and scrub deserts. The second important factor, temperature है, जो कि in terms of altitude है. As we go higher, a combination of temperature and conditions of snowfall and also rainfall, the vegetation starts moving towards the type of coniferous and eventually rhododendrons and tundra vegetation at higher heights beyond 4,000 meters. Now look at the second part. Second part I think is a bit tricky part. Most of them did not handle this well. It's asking, assess the significance of wildlife sanctuaries in the rainforest. तो आपको बताना था कम से कम 4-5 नाम. In the heavy rainfall regions, Malabar region में, Nilgiri region में, northeast में, and wildlife sanctuaries Andaman Nicobar में. Saddle Peak है. We have got the Periyar Elephant Sanctuary. We have Namdapha. We have Pakke Wildlife Sanctuary. Also mention the species. कहीं elephant है, कहीं पर gibbon है. Somewhere we are preserving the hornbill. Somewhere preserving the Malabar civet. So if you do not know the name of the life forms and the wild sanctuaries, ये problem है. और significance में wildlife sanctuary conservation के 2-3 important significance. One is of course the biodiversity important है, but they act as buffer to the core areas of the past reserves. Wildlife sanctuaries kind of they help protect the main core regions. Please talk about कि the actual impact of wildlife sanctuaries is not much because ये छोटे होते हैं. They're governed by the state rules. They're not under center protection. Plus they allow a lot of human activities like grazing and settlements also. Wildlife sanctuaries get fragmented. Wildlife sanctuaries are also encroached upon. इसीलिए they made it a bit more strict by moving wildlife sanctuaries into the national park type of classification, and eventually they are part of the larger biosphere reserves. The assessment part tha, the significance of the sanctuaries has not been well discussed by most of the students. Make sure that you join the Telegram channel Shabbir Edukemy for IAS.